Rock Shop Wednesday, everybody. What you doing? No? I'm busy. You're not? We are. Look at Eli over there. Eli making a buckle or something. Or something. He was making a tongue a while ago, so I had to be a buckle. Anyhow, we're rocking and rolling. Look what I got going on here. It's kind of cool. It's way cool. That's the butt of the mouthpiece. Got the other side all did up. I think I'm working up here, putting the inlaying the silver. Maybe I can show you. There's silver right there. Yeah. There's little pieces of it in here too. Anyhow, that's what I'm working on right now. Slow, tedious process. There's little cavities that are in right in here, like right there. That's a very small tool, and you can tell how much smaller it is. It's hard to get your tools in there, but anyhow, we're working on it. We're getting it going. So that's all good. Headed to the knife show in the morning. We'll go be at the convention center. I'll be at Bubba Crouch's table. It's been a long day. Bubba Table's Crouch. Hi, Bubba. I'm glad you're there. So we'll be at Bubba's and be all day Friday there, and then I'm probably going to ease out and head over to the World's Greatest Horseman competition on Saturday. Just got word from Jay Adcock. Hello, Jay, and my buddy T-Roy Flay-Hardy. Troy Flay-Hardy going to be there. We'll all be together, perusing around, building relationships, and I think we're going to be up at Saddle House, at the Saddle House booth, set up, have a few little things there, and saying hi to everybody. So if you're looking for me at the horse show, go to the Saddle House booth and come say hi to us. So Jay's got all that set up with Adam, and that's pretty exciting sounding. And I guess we're gonna make an evening of it and watch the competition, and all have a big old time. So that's fun and exciting. So that'll be at the horse show. Y'all know Patreon's kicking. We're doing good. People signing up all the time, finding value in that. So that's a wonderful thing. Podcast. Got old Pop back on the podcast this next week. Me and Carrie recorded with him today. And of course, we didn't do anything like what we said we were going to do. We were going to give him tell little wild cowboy stories and horse wreck stories. And he's got y'all can't imagine how many of those he has. Nope, we didn't get anywhere close to cowboy stories today. Not one bit of it. We got off in the art, of course, and the way we went. But I think you'll find it entertaining anyhow. Listening to Pop is always good. So what else? Come home next week, head down, grind away, and then the next week, Troy Flay-Hardy and myself and Eli, we're all headed to Mesa, Arizona. We're going to meet up with Larry Lorraine there, and Shane Hendren's going to be in the class, but we're taking a class with Jeff Park on advanced inlay and portrait engraving. So I'm pretty sure what I'm doing right now is advanced inlay, but that's okay. I can't wait to see what the heck he teaches me, because there's a lot of different ways to go about this deal. So it'll be fun, and I haven't done any of the portrait type stuff, so that's going to be a whole new tool in the toolbox. So anyhow, yeah, I kind of got the sniffles. I got the distemper last week. I thought it was the parvo for a minute, but it wasn't. I didn't have no itching going on, the fleece stuff. It wasn't parvo. Had to be the distemper. But we're about to get it whooped. Everything's good. And anyhow, if y'all need me, holler. Come see me. Come see me at the knife show. If you can't make the knife show, go to the horse show. We'll be there. We're going to enjoy Fort Worth. See you soon. Adios.